This video will walk you through the steps to retrofit a Kewaunee Scientific Venturi fume hood with our updated obstruction sensor. Unplug power cord located on top of hood. Unplug the light curtain plug from the Auto Sash Control Unit. Remove the fastener shown from the clamp. This will be attached to the new wire to complete the install. Remove the two Phillips head screws holding the obstruction sensor housing to the sash. These screws will be used to attach the new housing. Locate the wire, exiting the housing, and cut it close to the original housing. Remove the new sensor with attached wire, two set screws, and the new sensor housing from the retrofit package. Install the sensor into the housing as shown, pressing the wire into the channel on the housing. Install two set screws, partially tightened, from the bottom of the housing through the sensor body. During the next steps, the heat shrink will secure the old and new wires together. This allows the new wire to be pulled up the post using the old wire. Insert the pins of the new cable into one end, as shown, staggering the pins to reduce overall girth. Apply a heat source to shrink the tubing on one end. The old wire coming from the sash track should be stripped to reduce girth. Then, insert in the heat shrink and apply heat source again. Fish the new wire up the post to the top of the hood by pulling from above, being sure to follow the original wire management path. Position new housing in place and secure it using the original fasteners. Adjust the set screws to ensure the laser is landing correctly on the reflective tape on the opposite side of the hood. Fully close the sash, then reattach the clamp to the cable on top of the hood using the original fasteners. Insert the pins of the new sensor wire into the supplied plug following the wiring diagram supplied with the kit. The pinout should be the same as the original plug. Insert the completed plug into the light curtain location on the Auto Sash Control Unit. Ensure during sash operation that the cable is free of all obstructions. Manage any excess wire using the supplied wire management items. Plug the hood power cord back in. Follow the calibration steps to recalibrate the Auto Sash system.